Your garden should be a reflection of who you are, catering to your needs, desires, and aspirations. The title for today's discussion is Garden Design for Better Living, Transforming Your Garden into a Haven of Joy and Inspiration. Welcome, everyone, to our captivating journey into the world of garden design, where we will explore how to craft your garden into a sanctuary of happiness and fulfillment. In this presentation, we'll delve into the intricate details of creating an outdoor space that not only complements your lifestyle, but also enriches it. So let's embark on this exciting adventure together as we dream big and unleash the power of imagination to design the garden of your dreams. Number 1. Setting the stage, lifestyle as the foundation. Before we dive into the design process, it's crucial to understand that the essence of garden design lies in harmonizing your living space with your lifestyle. Your garden should be a reflection of who you are, catering to your needs, desires, and aspirations. Whether you're a nature enthusiast seeking tranquility or a social butterfly craving vibrant gatherings, your garden should be tailored to suit your unique lifestyle. Number 2. Dream big, imagine wildly. Close your eyes and let your imagination soar. Picture a garden that surpasses your wildest dreams. A verdant oasis where lush greenery dances in the breeze. Vibrant blooms paint a kaleidoscope of colors, and the soothing melody of birdsong fills the air. Dream big, for in the realm of design, there are no limits to what you can achieve. Let your imagination run wild and envision the garden that sparks joy and inspiration in your heart. Number 3. Setting goals for garden design. Now that you've envisioned your dream garden, it's time to set concrete goals to bring your vision to life. Whether you're designing for yourself or your family, consider the following. Determine the number of people who will use the garden regularly. Establish goals for daily enjoyment and happiness within the space. Aim to foster spiritual growth and well-being through thoughtful design elements. Create an inviting atmosphere that encourages social interaction and strengthens bonds with loved ones. Number 4. Navigating budget limitations. While dreams may be boundless, budgets often have constraints. However, don't let financial limitations deter you from creating a stunning garden retreat. Embrace the challenge and let it fuel your creativity. Consider the following tips for navigating budget constraints. Prioritize essential elements that align with your lifestyle and vision. Explore cost-effective design solutions without compromising quality. Research alternative materials and DIY projects to stretch your budget further. Consult with a professional designer to maximize value within your financial parameters. Number 5. Crafting a step-by-step plan. With your goals and budget in mind, it's time to craft a step-by-step plan to guide you through the design process. Break down your project into manageable stages, considering factors such as site analysis and assessment of existing conditions, concept development and theme selection, selection of plants, materials and furnishings, implementation of hardscape and softscape elements, maintenance and ongoing care strategies. Number 6. Embracing enjoyment over maintenance. As you design your garden, prioritize enjoyment over maintenance. Choose low-maintenance plants and materials that require minimal upkeep, allowing you to spend more time relishing the beauty of your outdoor sanctuary. Incorporate features that enhance your daily life, such as outdoor seating areas for relaxation and contemplation, water features for soothing ambience and visual interest, multifunctional spaces for dining, entertaining, and recreation, sustainable design elements that promote environmental stewardship. Number 7. Integrating your garden with home office. For those who work from home, integrating your garden with your home office can enhance both productivity and well-being. Position your workspace near a window with a view of the garden, allowing natural light and greenery to inspire creativity and focus. Create a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces, blurring the boundaries between work and leisure. Number 8. Balancing creativity and realism. As you embark on your garden design journey, strike a balance between creativity and realism. Dream boldly but remain grounded in practicality. Consider factors such as climate, soil conditions, and maintenance requirements when selecting plants and materials. Remember that while creativity fuels innovation, practicality ensures sustainability and long-term enjoyment of your garden. Number 9. Finding joy in the journey. Finally, remember that happiness is not only found in the end result, but also in the journey itself. Embrace the process of designing and creating your garden, savoring each moment along the way. Celebrate the small victories, learn from the challenges, and cherish the memories created in your outdoor haven. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey into the realm of garden design. We hope you feel inspired to transform your outdoor space into a sanctuary of joy, beauty, and fulfillment. Remember to dream big, set goals, and embrace the creative process with enthusiasm and optimism. Watch our other videos for more tips and inspiration on how to make your garden a better living space. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our channel to stay updated on the latest educational content. Until next time, happy designing. Thank you.